Hello, I'm Kate, and it's day 8 of the Sallie Tomato Co Box, and we have more inspiration coming your way. Day 8. Keep what's important close at hand while wading through clear blue waters. A quick and easy make just for you. This is such a pretty bag. I have a use for it already. Today's items include a 2-inch by 25-inch piece of nautical traveler cork, perfectly themed, and then 2 1-inch screw-in key fobs coordinated to your Sallie Tomato Co Box, and a free key fobs and hardware pattern. We have helpful tips for using our Sallie Tomato key fob hardware on our blog, so be sure to click the link to check those out. And we encourage you to watch the tutorial video. There are additional tips included. Be sure to read through the pattern instructions first. You may find an inspiration even before you cut into fabric or sew a single stitch. Today's items are a project you can dive into right away, so give yourself a fun and easy sewing treat. Don't forget to share your creativity with us using the hashtag #SallieTomato and hashtag #SallieTomatoCo on social media so we can admire your style and creativity. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel so you won't miss any future videos. Thanks for watching, and I can't wait to see what you make with your Mariner's Compass supplies. Have a great making day.